everyone. In this assembly there is a wooden rod of 20-inch length and which is tightly fit with steel collar. We have to find centroid X bar of the assembly. Material density of wooden rod is given 150 pound per feet cube and that of steel is given 490 pound per feet cube. Let us start solving it. M1 mass of wooden rod by R square L into density. .14. Its radius is 1 inch. We are using it in foot. Length is 20 inch. It is to be used in foot. Density 150 pound per feet cube. So M1 we will get 5.45 pound at XC1. Its centroid or center of gravity or center of mass will be at 10 by 2 inch. So this becomes an inch to be converted into feet. So this is around 0.835 feet. Now we will find the mass of steel collar M2. Mass of steel collar, its value will be pi r outer square r inner radius square into its length and density. Substitute the value. Pi is 3.14. Its inner radius is of 2 inch, so 2 by 12. Outer is 1, so 1 by 12. Length is 5 inch, so 5 by 12. Density is 490 pound per feet cube. So mass of steel collar you will get 13.36 pound and its centroid will be at, you can see the figure, it would be 0.635 feet. How we have calculated? You can check the figure. I am explaining just a moment. This will be 5 inch and this is 5 half. So here it will lie. So it becomes 7.5 inch and divided by 12. So you will get in foot and it will be, I have written here directly. Let me explain. So centroid will be 7.5 inch away upon 12 it fit. So it will be 0.625 feet. Now centroid of the assembly will be x bar, summation of m into x divided by summation of x, that is m1 xc1 plus m2 xc2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now substitute the value. X bar m1 is 5.45, xc1 is 0.835 plus m2 is 13.36 or xc2 is 0.625 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is 5.45 pound plus 13.36. So on solving it, centroid x bar will be this answer you will get in feet, multiply by 12, that will give you the in inch, and finally I am writing the answer 8.22 inch. So this will be the answer for this. Thanks for watching it.